Hey, this is John, and today we're looking at an electronic drum set. They say it's for kids, but I mean, you're always a kid if you never want to grow up. And so this thing's great right out of the box. My favorite thing is you don't have to put anything together. You literally take it out of the box, the whole thing unfolds, and it can sit on your desk, just like mine is right here. You can see, right? It plugs in via USB. And then it's got a 3.5 millimeter jack that goes to some floor pedals, like hands-free drumming. And it all comes through a built-in speaker. And with that speaker, you can adjust, there's a lot of built-in beats you can play along with. You can adjust the style of drums, like if you want more of like a steel drum sound. All those adjustments you're gonna make right on the kit itself. Like I said, it plugs in via USB, and it even has a 3.5 millimeter out jack, so you could have this thing plugged into a TV or your computer, and you'd be able to record right on your computer. And we did do a little bit of testing. I think I'm gonna let Billy take it away here if you wanna check him out hitting the drums. Easier to get him started than it was to get him to stop drumming. But I think at the end of the day, this kit is really impressing us here in the office, and it might be time for you to get your own.